Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. Now I'm going to draw Kaguya-sama from Love is War. So let's start together guys, let's go. Okay, again I'm starting to draw it using construction line, using an F pencil and also measuring everything so that everything fit into the page nicely, not to leave any kind of empty space a lot. That's why I'm drawing and measure everything so that it is nicely sit on the center of the page. And yeah, from here I choose the half body because I'm trying to emphasize myself to draw face, because I'm really weak at drawing faces, especially the hair. And what I found out from a friend is that drawing face must have these rules of 4 division lines that actually put the location of the facial attributes. So also the next part that is very hard to draw is the hair, that I'm really weak at drawing hair. When you stay towards the end, is that I'm really having a hard time drawing the hair, I mean coloring the hair. And in this area that quite confused also whether or not the hand is too small or too big. So I keep on drawing it according to what I feel is right, and afterwards when I show it to my friend is that the eyes is wrong, so I keep on erasing it again, and finally I've realized that the hand is too small, so I actually enlarge it, and I'm still very confused. Therefore I keep on changing it. And also my friends say that the face is too big. Oh my god, then I have to actually redraw everything and make the face smaller. Actually it's not the head that is too tall, but actually it's too wide, so I actually squeeze the face. So yeah, this is the process of coloring it, and again using the skin tone and using Prisma color pencil, and trying to get it as close to the reference image as possible, and also the eyes, and I try to make as anime as possible also. This is the part that I really want myself to train so that I can be better at it. And luckily that I got the face quite accurately. I'm quite happy with that. And also the skin tones, and trying to fill out the line works using color pencil. I was hesitant at first to use line works, I mean to use ink on the line works, but later on I've realized that I think if I use ink on the line works, it will make the artwork brighter, just like the ribbon of the hair. That's why I use ink on the line works in the end. But yeah, I really love the process of drawing all the folded lines and the color. And also these lines, actually I again put a gradient on it, starting from dark purple to pink. So these lines I combine it together to add vibrancy to the image, and it's really working very well. Again, with Prisma color pencil, I've managed to actually reduce the pencil grains on the paper. And also adjusting the hands, because I've reduced the size of the head, then I have to actually reduce the size of the hand. And also the references image blouse actually only filled with brown color, but I actually add in more of a pink and purple to add vibrancy into the blouse. So yeah, this is leaving only the hand behind, and finally I add in some orange to the side surrounding it, because she was standing against the evening sunlight. And now it's the hair. The hair is so difficult to draw, and what I loved about the hair is that it has some very beautiful colorful reflection on the hair. And also the outline of the hair, I add in bright blue and some pink to actually make the artwork more beautiful, because from what I experienced is that when I use too much brown, the artwork become very dull and very flat. Therefore I add in just colors. So yeah, that's the artwork, guys, because this is just a fan art. So I'll just draw according to my feelings, and hopefully you guys like it as I love it, of course. What do you guys think about it, guys? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm really actually happy with the result, and I am happy that I can train myself to draw face, and I'm happy that the skin tone is better than I usually draw. And yeah, what do you guys think? Please do share it with comment section below. And also, if you have any kind of character suggestion you would like me to draw, so put it in the comment section below. So thank you very much for watching. If you guys are new to this channel, please do subscribe. So please do not forget to like the video. Thank you so much, and see you guys in the next one.